finally, we're making a Cannellini Rosemary Butter. I use the word butter only because that's the best way to describe the texture of this. It's a really lovely, creamy dish that just goes great on any kind of like a appetizers table or like a grazing table. Then yeah, this is a really nice dish, and it's just like really beautiful, creamy white color. So cannellini beans, but you can sub navy beans, either or. Get your garlic in there. I'm going 2 cloves again. And rosemary goes really nicely with lemon, so I'm using lemon zest and juice. And fresh rosemary is a must in this because it's the main feature flavor. If you don't have fresh rosemary, then feature a different herb. Feature something that you love, maybe tarragon or something like that. So I'm just gonna pick the kind of needle part off of this tough stem, discard the stem, and add the rosemary. It says 1 stalk of rosemary, and I know stalks vary in length, so it's better to add a little. I'm adding about a tablespoon of chopped rosemary. And the flavors intensify in this overnight and mingle and marry. So if you feel like it's not strong enough, but you're not going to serve it till tomorrow, then go on the conservative side for how much rosemary that you want. And I'm going to add a good pinch of salt. And then you can save your oil and water to drizzle in as it mixes. One tip here is that if you want like the creamiest, then don't add the water, just substitute oil instead of butter. I think that's what I'm gonna do this time. If you want it a little bit like lighter, then go for like water plus oil.